Hello. Okay. Today we are taking the topic of understanding collimator, class 8, exercise 3.3, question number 5. It is an important question. The measure of two adjacent angle. First of all, understand what is the meaning of adjacent angle. Like A and D, it is called a adjacent angle. Angle A and angle B, they are called also adjacent angle. Angle B and angle C are also called a adjacent angle. Okay. So the measure of two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are 3:2. Then find the all angles. Okay, solve it. This is the parallelogram ABCD, and these angle let 3x and 2x are called a adjacent angle. We want to find all major angle. Okay. The property of parallelogram, we know that the angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Here is the mention. Angle A and angle D. Angle A or angle B, they are called also adjacent angle. So is equal, sum is 180 degree. So we use this property. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180, and A is equal to 3x and B is equal to 2x. Because the angle ratio is 3:2, so we let a variable x. So angle A is equal to 3x let, and angle B is equal to 2x. So A value is 3x and B is 2x is equal to 180. Now we get 5x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 upon 5. 5 is 15 and 5 is 30. Then x is equal to 36. So we can find all angle. Angle A is equal to 3x, so 3, and x value is 36. So first angle is 108. Opposite angle is also equal, then also is 108. And the angle B 2x, then 2 into 36, 72. This is 72, so this is also a 72. Then here is the 4 angle of a parallelogram. Next question लेते हैं. Now our next question is, it is a parallelogram ABCD. This side is given 3y minus 1. DC is equal to 26. AD 3x and BC 18. We want to find the value of x and y and four sides, all four sides. Okay, it is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and as we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to DC. Here is the property. AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. So AB equal to DC. Opposite sides are equal. Now AB is equal to 3y minus 1 and DC is equal to 26. Second अगर लें, in the second part is equal to AD is equal to BC. Opposite side, this side. So AD is equal to 3x and BC is equal to 18. Solve it. 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. Then 3y is equal to 27 and y is equal to 9. When you divide 27 by the 3, then you get 9. And here is this, you get x equal to 6. When you divide 18 by the 3, then you get 6. So x and y is equal to this. So if we want to find the value of AB, that is 3y minus 1. So 3, and we have y is equal to 9 minus 1. 3 under bracket y we have a 9 and minus 1. So 27 minus 1 means 26. Opposite sides are equal. DC is 26, so AB is also a 26. Now AD is equal to 3x, then 3, and we have x is equal to 6. So we get 18. Both sides are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Next question लेते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं अपना। दिस इज R, L, U and K. This is I and S. This one is C and E. Here it is given that X angle K is equal to 120 degree. This is 70 degree. We want to find the value of X, and that given it RISK and CLUE parallelogram. It is given. We want to find the value of X. Let's start. We know that RISK, this is the parallelogram. RISK. So in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. We know that, and adjacent angle K and angle S, is equal to 180 because they are adjacent. So sum is 180. Here is the property is this. So angle K is 120 and angle S, K is equal to 120 and angle S is equal to 180. So we get angle S is equal to 60 degree. Clear? And the parallelogram CLUE, opposite angle are equal. So angle L is equal to angle E, 70. Opposite angle in a parallelogram. और parallelogram कौन सा है? CLUE. तो 70 और 8E दोनों अपोजिट एंगल हैं इसकी. ओके, नाउ वी हैव ए ट्राइंगल EOS. This one EOS, this triangle. Okay, and we know that the sum of all angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So X plus 70 plus 60, this is 60, this is 70, is equal to 180. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? वो किसी भी ट्रायंगल में तीनों का सम, यानी तीनों एंगल का सम कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री. सो x प्लस 130 इज इक्वल टू 180 एंड x इज इक्वल टू 50. हियर इज दिस. इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन? So here we have some important question for the exercise 3.3. Solve it. If you have any problem, you can discuss with me. You can call me and give me the comment box. Okay.